So how can you group apps on Android? Let's get started. Let me talk about the way that it would work. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course, you can see that you have the ability to bring apps onto the home screen like that. So you can just hold down on it, drag it all the way to the top so it's going to appear on the home screen like that. But then when you grab one of the icons, you can hover it over another one, and this is going to create a folder, right? So it's going to ask you to give it a name. It is called a folder, but it is a group of apps, and in there you can add more of them or do whatever else you really need. You can customize the color, and of course the location of apps can be like changed in here. You can reorganize it, no problem, or even add more apps if you wish to do so. So that's kind of how it would work. That is the point behind grouping apps. Keep in mind that this is an Android phone, so if you don't like the way that the apps look and behave, what you have the ability to do is to essentially just open up the App Store, the Google Play Store, and then download a different launcher. So there are different apps which kind of change the skin or UI interface of your phone, right? And it just basically means that you install like a new skin on the top of this, and it will give you the ability to group apps completely differently based on that launcher, right? So that's just a tip right there. Obviously, there are those which look like iOS, or there is Nova Launcher, a very popular choice. But that is all from me. I hope I was able to help you out and assist you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the future uploads too.